let's take a look at scientific notation. So scientific notation is just a way to write really big and really small numbers in a more convenient way. So for example, if we had a really big number, like the number of stars in a galaxy is about 20 billion, we could write it with a bunch of zeros, kind of annoying, or I could write it in scientific notation, 2 times 10 to the 10 stars. Much more convenient. Or if I looked at a really small number, the mass of an electron, that's 0.000, lots of zeros, 911 kilograms. That's very annoying to write, but in scientific notation, it's 9.11 times 10 to the minus 31 kilograms. Much more convenient to write out. So how do we do that? How do we go from a normal number to scientific notation? Well, let's say we had 1450 meters, and I want to convert that to scientific notation. Well, that would be 1.45 times 10 to the 3 meters. Now, how did I get that? There's a couple different ways to approach it. One way to think about it is 1,450 meters is 1.45 times 1,000 meters. And 1,000 is just 10 to the third power. So it's 1.45 times 10 to the 3 meters. Okay, that's one way to think about it. Another way to think about it is we shifted the decimal place. So if I write 1,450, the decimal point started here. And then to put it into scientific notation, I had to move the decimal point 3 places to the left. And I get 1.45 times 10 to the 3 meters. Okay, let's look at another example, 86,400 seconds. To put that into scientific notation, I have to move the decimal point 4 places to the left. If I do that, I get 8.64 times 10 to the 4th power. I moved the decimal place 4 places to the left, so the exponent is a 4. All right, let's look at another example. Let's say we have a really small number, so 0.00540 kilograms. If I want to convert that into scientific notation, one way to do it is that's the same as 5.40 times 0.001 kilograms, and 0.001 kilograms is 10 to the minus 3 kilograms. Or the other way to think about it is I moved the decimal point 3 places to the right. If I moved it 3 places to the right, then the exponent would be 10 to the minus 3. So another example of a small one, 0.000000631 meters. If I put that into scientific notation, thinking about just the decimal point, well, I move the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places to the right, so I get 6.31 times 10 to the minus 7 meters.